What'd you get, Kenny?
Bailey.
Okay. What is that?
Okay,
well then. Watch out. Take it out of the way.
Hey, Kenny.
Get out of the way.
Ooh. Oh, look at there. Cool.
And
Very nice.
Coloring too.
Oh. Kennedy, what do you say?
I did it.
Right.
What's this?
Okay. Which one is which on Kennedy's and Bailey's?
These are all baby.
Yeah.
These on Kennedy's. Those are all.
No.
okay, the
Aren't one of, isn't one of those?
backpacks is Kennedy's. The one that's Kennedy's. Put your picture in that bag, Bailey.
And then Bailey, there's yours, honey.
There's a card in there, but you.
Oh, that's awesome. Open yours up, Kennedy.
And I know you got it.
Maddie just told me like you.
Cool.
Hi, Barbie.
Oh, is that Draculaura?
Yeah.
Can she still hard time?
She can do it.
Oh.
Oh, that freaky fab.
Better bring that backpack back.
That's a canopy, just like Alyssa has.
Got something.
I have one of those. I have a canopy.
Yeah, that's why she liked it. Because she saw yours.
That backpack's got something in it.
Ooh, what is that, Bailey?
That's right.
Yeah.
Bag. The top.
Hold up your shirt. Your mommy wants to get a picture of you with your shirt. Show us your shirt, babe. Who is that?
Spectra.
All right. She was looking for her this morning.
On my shirt.
Oh, it says Ghouls Rule. Cool. What is that, Kennedy? You know what that is? That's for your door. And so when somebody comes, its eyes light up and it makes a creepy sound.
You can also
so it can scare people away.
Books or your toys so that nobody touches your
So if Jack touches your stuff, then it'll go, whoa. Is there something inside here?
Lunchbox.
That's cool. Yeah. Cool.
You know what?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll have to see it.
Those are cool bags too. Look at how big that thing is. Who is that? What is that?
Junie B. Jones.
Junie B. Jones. Are those underwear? Awesome. I love Monster High underwear.
Junie B. Jones.
Very cool.
Don't
That's right. Don't pee in those. That's right. Good job, Jack. That's right, buddy.
What? She's already Connie Jane Jackson, okay?
He's like doing that too. Don't pee in those.
You're so funny.
You know what's up, Jack. Ooh.
Oh, you got something different. Yeah, you got.
Ooh, which one? Oh, yeah. Monster High underwear. What do you say, Jack?
Okay, Bailey, start putting stuff back in your bag.
All right. Cool. Don't lose that card because I bet you've got a nice message in there.
The cards are different. You're an awesome.
That's awesome. What do you say?
Thank you.
Who's that from?
Grandma.
Yeah, so who do you say thank you to? Don't look at me.
Thank you, Grandma. Look at what I got.
What does it say? It says ain't.
He's like checking out the rest of the bags.
What does it say, Bailey? You're not gonna guess?
Yes. Yeah, it's just right up against my dresser.
Did she even These are
Honey.
Yeah, the canopy, yes.
So
Oh, that's so nice. Okay, what do you say to Grandma?
thank you, Grandma.
No, it's this is from the Christmas.
Yeah, thank you.
Say thank you to Pat.
There you go, honey, it's this one.
Kennedy, can you put...
No, you was having a
Put your stuff
birthday.
back in your bag.
Yeah.